shop. No. Yes.
It's a unicorn.
She's looking for her boots. I'm like, honey, they're there. Trust me.
Well, no, because I couldn't climb up this ladder.
Oh, you know what I wanted to tell you?
Wait, I got the lighter.
I'm completely claustrophobic and I have a problem with stairs. So for me to go up the stairs, so it's
Just talk about heights, man.
well, I'm okay with heights. I don't like ladders. They bother me. Look, I'm looking. Would you stop pushing me around? I'm not your Cupid doll.
Oh, look, squares! Fucking squares, look! Cubes! Not even squares, cubes, dude! What? They got fucking cubes!
Yeah, this is all new.
Wow! Woo! Fuck out of here!
That I love.
Fuck yeah!
I wish I had a tripod.
Whoa!
Okay, we can't leave our butts up here, guys.
Yeah, but don't throw them over the roof either. Don't throw them over the roof.
Yeah! Woo! Yeah, look at there's people there. Wow. Yeah, right now.
This is the only time you come up here.
Wow! Yes! I love the 4th of July.
I love fireworks,
Like, we have
period.
fireworks on our weddings.
Whoa, whoa! Oh, those are beautiful.
That's new.
Yep. Ah.
Wow.
Half circle.
Holy shit.
That roof one's a shit, isn't it?
I know, I'm seriously thinking about moving.
Oh, you should.
Look. And then as soon as
Look at this neighborhood and how everybody. Yeah, but look at the neighborhood and how everybody gets together, and I know all my neighbors.
Oh, no, don't do that.
Look, there's a cop. Look at him. We're coming.
Where's he going? Where's he going?
Who cares? Oh, he wants a beer.
Here, wait. Want some beer? Shoot!
Were you the one who called me to get up here?
No.
Justin? Okay.
You heard you were back. I don't think so.
Oh, I know it's
It was
going
about
up there.
Yeah, but by the time you guys
That's about-
yelled, no.
I was about to
Yelled,
come
she was
down and
gone.
get you.